Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add emojis on your Bigo Live app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your Bigo Live app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here. So after you click on me, it's going to take us here in this list on your profile. Then you just go above this sign here and up, click on it here. So when you click in this sign, it's going to take us here in this list here. Then you just go above this sign, click on it here and up. So then it's going to, when you click in this sign here, it's going to take us to next step here. Then you just go down here. Then all you have to do, just click here on emojis. So then here can you add emojis you want to add on your Bigo Live app. So when you're done, you just click here on save. So then it's going to save video on your Bigo Live app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.